The 21st mission, the Desert Wind, we are playing against all of these guys. And Richard Lionheart as well. So let's go ahead and play this one. We're gonna go with a 50 gain speed. And I just realized I was doing something wrong, and we will be placing the houses in the other part of our castle, and I'll be adding 3 of the Fletchers and add 2 farms as well. So we want take a approach where we'll be protecting ourselves from the enemies. Might be coming from this side, so we're just gonna go around here a little more up and down here like this, and I think we're pretty much set to go from here. So if we have some stone left, which I think we don't, so we don't have any of the stone, not too much of the stone actually, and we are going to place this one tower up here, buy some stone. Actually we will need 15 of the stone, buy some stone, and buy the engineer guild. But before that I'm gonna place the granary. Buy the engineer guild right now, and buy some engineers as well. Add this thing here, add a brazier, and make some shields.
Constructing siege equipment. 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 Instructions.
Oh my god, we are losing so much of our guys. I lost a bunch of them that were actually on our keep. We will need 1 mill. We'll need a few bakeries and some more of these guys as well. Some more of these guys. So place the first 5, and after that a lot of them.
Instructions. We await orders. Yes. Archers.
And these guys shall be on the keep for now, doing their thing, and we are pretty much going in this one. I don't know if this is the fastest way, I think not, but I think not doing that bad right now. So actually we're gonna try to defend ourselves from any potential attacks, and from there we will be planning on the attacking this is a rat, I think. On the attacking the rat first of all, and after the rat everything should go pretty much smoothly. So I don't think any of these guys are doing that great, to be quite honest with you. And the rat is actually down to his 8 soldiers, so we might be using this opportunity to build the... actually to attack him, not to build anything, but rather to attack him. And we're gonna see how far we can go with these. Oh my god, this is perfect. So if we place 3 or 4 of these over here, we will be able to attack the 2 pigs on both sides. So what's going on? We are gonna just increase a little of game speed, and we are gonna put these to crossbow production. On the other side we are gonna use some bread, and we will be making some assassins as well. So 11 of assassins. I don't know if that's supposed to be enough, but I am attacking the rat nevertheless. And I use this strategy. Obviously you can attack the rat immediately, pardon me, but I use this strategy because I thought it would make more sense if we first defended our castle and after that actually attack him as well. So we are going in, and 7 of our guys, that's not too much I think. So we're gonna add the zero around here. We want those arrows to be fiery as well, and our castle is starting to look like something actually. Obviously when we receive the goods for killing the guy, we're gonna use the goods to improve our economy. So we lost 3 of our guys, which is quite nice thing in this one. And we got ourselves the 500 of gold. So we're just gonna use all of the resources to actually improve our economy. And for now we will be doing more of the crossy production, and it's not looking too bad right now. Just gonna add 2 more houses because we will be soon in need of those houses, and pretty much we'll be going with the towers as soon as possible. Something like, I just need the money. Something like, I think, going with the wall right up here. I think that's pretty much it. Going with the wall to there, and from there we're gonna add some more of these lookout towers. And what's going on with the rest of the guys? So Lionheart is actually doing the best out of these 4 remaining guys. So we will not be wasting our time in this one. We're gonna add another one next to this one, and we're gonna sell some bread because we have a lot of bread, and we're gonna be buying some more of the engineers and selling some more of the goods as well. So building the towers, and we are just waiting for the right chance to strike. So after we build the towers, I think we pretty much dealt with all of these guys. I think that should be enough, and it's not looking that bad as well.
Your Grace,
So we're gonna do 3 groups of 5. We need some more money. We go. We're gonna do like, we need 8 of these, and second group of 5. So we're gonna just move them around. They kind of separated a little. And after this, I think, are we able to? I think we are. After this, no, not there. So we just need to kill this Crossy. Oh my god, what I just did. That is a terrible thing. Spend the goods like that, but anyways, we're gonna add this part of the wall, buy some more stone, and add this wall as well, which is the final touch, I think. So they don't have the reach over here. And I think we are pretty much safe. So we're just gonna buy 5 of these and go in the groups of 5 as well. 3 groups of 5. So we need a little gold. That should be enough. And this group of 5 as well. So those are the groups we're gonna use in this one. And after we occupy this one, I think we are pretty much set to occupy the stone as well. And after that, everything should be smooth. So we have a lot of these things as well. And we're gonna add 5 of these as well. Take 5 of these as well. And what's left? 3. And 2 more, I think. That's great. So the first group is going here. And that's the first group. Second group going there. Second group, obviously. And the third group going here. Add the crossies. So where are the crossies? Nowhere. Third group, and add 5 of these as well for the third group. So 6 of these. I think we might be able to do something around here. And I think we done pretty great job around here. So we consolidated, and right now we are on a great white big horse. And we will add the gate around here. So we just want to roll these lines, and I think that's pretty much it. The last group is coming as well, and these guys are done. Yeah, Pig is in trouble, I think. Pig is in trouble. Pig is in trouble indeed. So we're just gonna add some oxes And obviously we kind of have enough of the food, so the production may stop for a little, so we can add the third farm. That's pretty much it, I think. So we are in position to do something quite nice, and we will connect these walls as well. I think only the one line should be left, and this may look like something interesting, at least for me interesting. Buy some more of the stone and wait for some stone in the future. So, oh my god, we are oh wow, that's disgusting. That's disgusting, and I never thought of something like that could happen. So these guys should come back to the castle, and I just forgot that the pig might be using that tool as well. So I think that's in reach. I shall be creating this one tower right over there and connect it like this to my castle, and may not look like something too cool, but soon enough we'll be placing our guys this tower as well. We'll be adding the ballista 2 and 1 brazier as well. So we're just gonna go outside so we can equip the ballista, and we are going with all of these guys into our tower. Right now things are not looking that bad for us. So what's going on right now? We're just gonna add some more assassins and go after the right pig that's living next to us. So is this one. We want to beat him. First to beat him, and after him we are moving to the next one, and after that we are finishing the rest of the guys this map as well. So we use these actually to neutralize the enemy's troops on the towers, and this combination is actually the best one for doing so. And very soon we shall be opting for this square tower, and after that I think we are pretty much settled to win every possible battle in this one. We are already winning this war, but actually there are some few of the details that we have to work on before we finish this one as well. Now we're just gonna go back with our assassins. This guy is finished. We're just gonna destroy this and go elsewhere. And as I told,
Forward.
we are destroying these, adding this tower, I think, adding the path, and the rest, as you know, is pretty much the same. We add 2 of the engineers, equip the ballista, these band, oh my god, the select, the rest of the guys, and attack our enemies. That's our plan for this one. So we should start buying the horse archers and start attacking the next pig as well. So we're just gonna add another mill, buy some horse archers. Just gonna need a few of the shields as well. Repair this thing. Destroy this guy. I don't know if we are capable of defeating this one. What's the stats on him? 55. Oh, that's not that great. We're just gonna want to neutralize these guys, and after that we are going for the kill. So we have enough of everything. Gold is actually not a problem. And we are going for the attack right now, and after we do this, we're just gonna collect these 2 towers. And after that, I'm just receiving the messages on the phone, and after that everything is pretty much settled, I think. So just to make things faster, we could have lost the guys on our towers if we did not pay attention to the attacks.
A message from the pig.
So we just want to kill these guys, and we're pretty much done with this one as well. After killing these on the square towers. And I don't know why are they opting. Oh my god, we are in the reach of the mangonel as well, which is not that great. And there is a lot of the destruction going on right now. So I think we might have been overestimating our attacking power, but nevertheless, just tried and realized it's gonna work. Nevertheless, the defense they just had put on us, but it won't be sufficient for the next attack. And for the next attack we are going to use only assassins, because these guys won't be doing that much. Right now Pig is actually losing it. He's down on his last 16 guys, 23. And the concerning thing is the Lionheart Richard, who has only 30 guys on his castle, and he does not look like he's that poor, but he's actually doing nothing. As you can see, he does not have the farms. He has 2 quarries, and are all of these his? Around 4 or 5 iron things, and that's pretty much it, I think. So we are going into the attack, And as you can see, they put some guys on the towers, but that's not even close to enough. We are killing off the second dude, second pig, and actually we will be soon going after the third one as well, because he's at like 60 troops, which is not that great amount as well. So we're just gonna sell the things, sell the goods, do the thing I promised to do, and I think we should be connecting these two. Right now it's not looking that great, so I'm just gonna destroy like everything, get these two out, and add this one right over here. So go back to building, add the ballista. I just want this the end to look like something not most impressive, but something that is quite impressive, at least to look at. So add this here, add two of these as well, add some more axes, and that's pretty much it. Add two houses, and we are doing pretty much all we need. We did all we needed. So the last thing we want to do is place some bakeries, and we are going into the attack. So buying soldiers, and adding some more shields. I think we don't need any more shields on our towers. I somehow always try to overprotect my dudes, and I don't know, maybe because I played a lot of the Stronghold Crusader online, or I just don't want to use a lot of the troops, and those might be the reasons. So adding the horses, and it's not looking like the greatest castle, but it's not looking that bad either. I mean, this part of the castle looks like it's abandoned. It actually is. But anyways, for this mission I think we don't have to put more effort into it, and it looks okay to me, to be quite honest with you. So things we want to do here is to control our troops and to plan our next attack very carefully. And the Richard is actually doing something right now. It's not like that looking too bad right now, but is actually not looking that serious as well. So we are going just around to clear the towers, and I think we should be doing that pretty fast in this one. And we're still not killing these crossies over here, but I think that's pretty much it for this one as well. It's down to 30 and is actually down 4. So the last one, I'm predicting that this one is going to fall, as he obviously is going to fall. So the last one is actually the Lionheart. Oh my god, what's going on here? And he did not fall. Oh wow. I just got cocky and got beaten as well. So add some more of the assassins and send them to attack the pig for one last time. And pig is down to his last 3 troopers, which is not looking that great for the pig. And we actually like the scenario of this one. We like how it's going, and we pretty much know how it's going to end as well. So selling all of the things we own right now. And what's the stats around here? The status is we are waiting for our assassins to reach the castle and finish off the pig. So sell some more bread, add some more assassins. We might be needing these for the last boss. So the third pig, or third I think, yes, the third pig is gone as well. And we are instantly going for the Lionheart as well. So we will be placing these as near as possible. And just want to go as near as possible to the castle. Oh my god, just don't stop. We want to kill these mangonels, both of these, and we want to open the door for our horse archers. We want to enter and kill the rest of the guys inside of the castle. Oh my god, it's opened. I did not even realize it's opened. And actually we're going straight to the keep with these guys. And it should not be that much of a great deal to win this one, because this guy is actually not even playing, and we are kind of losing too much of our assassins because they're not going all together. And we are entering, killing the Lionheart, and that should be pretty much it for this mission. So you can actually help my work if you like the video, comment the video, and subscribe to my channel as well. And I'll see ya in the next video.